Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Tabby. I'm from Vancouver, and today I want to work on some ideas for some murals that I want to do. I've not done a mural in a while, so I want to get back into them, and I have some ideas for some walls that I know of that are looking very bland, so I think they need a pop of color. So I'm going to help those walls and give them some pop of color. Everyone needs a little bit of color in their lives because it's been very gloom and doom recently. I want to give some walls a little bit of life. So now, how I'm going to do this, I'm not going to use Procreate because number one, I don't have it. Number two, I actually don't have an iPad. So there's that. So I'm just gonna do it on the canvas, and then I'm gonna reuse the canvas, do another design, take a photo, and do another design, take a photo, and so on and so forth. I want to recycle the same canvases. I always like to do that. I always go to thrift stores and just buy some random art so that I can just reuse the canvas, because I like to think that I'm saving the environment that way. I don't know. If you think I'm saving the environment, give this a video a like, and that will help me with my channel, and then I can do some more art and recycle canvases and save the environment. So if you support my channel, I will make global warming disappear. So let's get some ideas, and we'll see where we go. Yeah, I'm excited. I want to create some art because it's been a while. Let's go.